Hello and welcome to Ideas and Trends. Today we are going to show you many ways to make DIY clouds. The concept of making your own clouds like something out of a fairy tale. But of course we meant craft. The beauty of having DIY skills is that you can make almost anything you like come to life in at least some capacity. We have always wished we could lay on a cloud or watch a calming rainstorm in our own room, and those things are totally possible if you learn different techniques for making adorable, impressive, or even realistic clouds. Check out the 15 amazing cloud-themed crafts that will automatically make your space, party, or afternoon more magical and whimsical. Number 1. DIY Cloud Lights. Simple process of creating a cloud lamp that is so magical looking we can barely handle it. By covering a paper lantern in cotton, you can create an otherworldly glow that's hard not to stare at. Beyond that, we'll love the way tiny twinkle lights hang down like iridescent raindrops. Number 2. Hanging Cloud Photo Backdrop. Have you always hoped to look at you are happy enough to be walking on air on your wedding day? Are you throwing a summer party for gratitude? Those heads are in a cloud? Then this backdrop is literally perfect for you. A practical wedding shows you how to make the adorable hanging bunches from cottons that have been perfectly fluffed. Number 3. DIY Felt Cloud Garland. Felt is great for cloud-themed projects because even though it's not fluffy like cotton, it is lovely and soft. We practically love the idea of making alternating white and grey clouds for a garland that actually looks like the varied sky on a cloudy day. Number 4. Glowing Cloud Pendant Light. Did you love the way the previous cloud lamp ideas glowed, but you are not sure about letting lights hang down like drop of rains because you have animals or small children who might pull all them out? This alternative version from a style of living instead, they walk you through the process of making just a cloud with an eternal glow. Number 5. Raining Cloud Mobile. Clouds with hanging droplets make great decorative mobiles. Just in case you like the idea but you don't have room for a large pendant light, instead use the same cotton fluffing technique that you have saw before without affixing the lantern in the center, and then follow the previous rule for hanging pretty marble raindrop from fishing wire. Number 6. Cloud Photo Settings. Are you aspiring photographers who have been having way too much fun setting up elaborate backdrops and scenes for your baby to sit in while you snap adorable shots? Then there is an awesome idea for your next shot. Creating a gorgeous fluffy white scene that looks as though your little angel is lying atop a cloud once again. They are all made of soft cotton fluff. Number 7. 3D Cloud Hanging Mobiles. Did you like the idea of making a cloud mobile, but you don't have cotton to pull apart right now? Or perhaps you don't like the feel of it? Try making adorable little 3D clouds instead, through the process of cutting and piecing together each little cloud from cardstock or decor paper. Number 8. DIY Cloud Sprinklers. Are you always on the lookout for unique little ways to incorporate your favorite things in your decor? We find that things with interactive parts or unconventional features are our favorite. That's why this adorable little hanging planter with a raindrop sprinkler caught our eyes so quickly. Number 9. DIY Cloud Bookshelf. In your whole nursery themed around clouds, perhaps it's actually forest or princess themed, but a couple clouds on the side would really add a whimsical element to things. Then consider how to nest for less footsteps and building adorable cloud shelves that will simultaneously contribute to the decor and also encourage your kids to read by making their books look awesome. Number 10. Foam core and wallpaper nursery clouds. Perhaps you like the idea of decorative clouds, but you are really looking for something a lot simpler than wooden shelves or glowing lights? Then try this flap pop art cloud idea from Nicole Classes. Cut the shape out of foam core to give your cloud solid shape and then cover each one with patterned wallpaper, decor paper, or fancy cardstock in whatever color, scheme, or design you choose. Number 11. DIY Cloud Night Light. Perhaps you love the idea of the glowing lanterns, but there isn't really space for a big fluffy light in your children's room or the hallway leading to the bathroom. Instead, try making these little cloud-shaped night lights. They are more space efficient and give off a subtle glow, but they is still completely adorable. Number 12. Furry cloud mates. Maybe your favorite kind of cloud is a stormy one because you love the sound of rain. Then we are pretty sure you will enjoy these adorable fox fur rugs shaped like clouds and colored like a stormy day. They are perfect for a bathroom or a kid's playroom, and you will love how soft they are on your feet. Get more details on how to make them by watching our video. Number 13. Stuffed Lassie Clouds. Do you like the idea of a cloud mobile, but you are looking for something with a little more style and flair? Maybe your nursery has a more vintage style than some of the projects you have seen on our list so far. Then you definitely need to check out these just lace clouds. Number 14. Custom cloud printed fabrics. Have you been on the lookout for cloud-covered fabrics at all the crafting, sewing, and DIY stores because you have a little project in mind, but you haven't been able to find what you need? The process of creating your own custom printed fabric from simple shape. We love when DIY projects lead to more crafts and help you out with future projects. Number 15. Cloud in a jar. Did you know that you can actually make your own cloud? We are not talking sewing or crafting this time. We mean you can actually make a cloud in a jar. We had no idea you could do this until we found an awesome tutorial. We might be grown adults, but you can bet we are thinking of this post so we can go make clouds in our kitchen. It's perfect at home science experiment. Do you know someone who loves clouds as much as we do? Share this video with them for a little bit of DIY inspiration. So enjoy the video and find the idea of making your own cloud through this video. Thank you.